Welcome to Sujata's Vlog Suju, my YouTube channel. I had been to a farmhouse and stayed there overnight, so I'm going to give you a farmhouse tour. This is a 2-acre farm. On this, at one side, a house has been built. It's a small, rustic, and a village type of house built here with a lawn laid around it and trees planted, palm trees, coconut trees, and mango trees. A canopy also is kept here. We can sit below it to avoid rains during rainy season and during summer to avoid the heat. Now we are entering the house. This house is having only 2 rooms, one bedroom and one hall cum kitchen with attached bathroom. So here I'm showing you this fruit which has been grown in this farm. This is ramphal and custard apple, that is even chiku and guava. This window we can see scenery outside. There is also different farms beside it. Even the portrait which has been kept is of a village portrait painting actually. The rooftop is made with tiles, red tiles, which is interlocking tiles. These are very costly tiles, in fact. Gives a beautiful rustic look also. It's well furnished kitchen. Now let's see the bedroom. Bedroom also is well furnished with cupboard and 2 beds. Wooden plinths are also used so to hold the roof, which also gives a village home look. Now we have come out and this is an overview of the house and the farm also. This is the back of the farm. I have started from back side. So all trees are planted here. See, this is a papaya tree. Many papayas were there. We had plucked it. Here is the water tank where water is stored. Look at the papayas. There are around 365 trees here. All different kinds of trees like palm trees, coconut trees and guava trees, pomegranate, chiku. This is a new farmhouse with all the plants and trees planted recently. So it will take time to grow. Once the trees grow, then the border line, they have similar trees which will grow and it will cover the whole 2 acres of farmhouse. There is a unique thing about these trees is that it is a mosquito repellent also, which we came to know just now. Both the sides, 1 acre it is, and in between this is the pathway. On the sides, beautiful shrubs, colorful shrubs and trees also have been planted. Some flowers also. This all will take little time and this all this farmhouse will look more beautiful one, say after a year or so. This is our caretaker's house. He is the caretaker, Anandaya. He's covering the gate with mesh so that no wild things, animals like come inside. So now we are outside the gate. Now I'm showing you all the trees. See the chickus on these trees. These are all hybrid trees, so you get fruits fast. Now see, this is guava tree. This is pomegranate tree. The small shrub type you have seen is a badam tree, that is almond actually, and these are the guava trees. Still they are raw. It will take little time to ripen. There are 365 trees other than the border trees which I have shown you earlier. Now this is the patch of place which has been used to cultivate leafy vegetables like spinach, amaranthus, that is palak and all. For this they have used drip irrigation. So this is how the water drips. No need of manual watering of plants. Fenugreek leaves, then green chilies. In this patch in between the trees, they have utilized for cultivating green leaf actually. Green leaf cabbage also they have grown. See the fenugreek leaves. Evening sunset you can see now, very beautiful. This is the evening time, how the farm is looking with all the lights, floodlights. A bonfire was also lit. Now in the morning, just see the aerial overview of the farmhouse. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.